Next problem, here it's given as we have to obtain a transfer function of an analog Butterworth low pass filter of third order high pass Butterworth filter with 100 Hz cutoff frequency by frequency transformation of low pass filter. Means they are telling from low pass to we have to convert to high pass filter. Okay, how we can do from low pass to high pass filter we have to do. We will see how it's going to be done. First we will take the given is of third order, n is going to be third. Our cutoff frequency is taken for low pass as 10 Hz and high pass as 100 Hz. Okay. Then use your HN of S for Butterworth filter. It's going to be taken as 1 divided by S raised to n plus Bn minus 1, S raised to n minus 1 plus it's going on B1S plus 1. This is going to be solved based on the table. I think I shared. If I not shared, I will share of this how you are going to choose this. Okay. For Butterworth filter coefficient, S order is going to be 3, means here S is going to be 3 plus 2s square. I am telling here 2s square plus 2s plus 1. Omega p is given as 1 radians per second. If it is not given, we have to take off like that. Okay. To obtain system function for n is equals to 3 and fc is equal to 10 Hz. Minimum cutoff frequency, I think you hope in your Bodo plot and all, if you are drawing, your minimum you will be taking as 10, then 100, then 1000 you are going for. Based on that, the cutoff frequency, first frequency is taken as 10 Hz. Here it is not given, but you have to take as for low pass. Okay, for that reason it's a 10 Hz. I hope you cleared how you taken 10 Hz. Okay. Then omega c is equals to omega LP low pass filter, that is going to be 2 pi f. We know this equation. You see that is equals to 2 pi into 10, that is equal to 20 pi radians per second. Next, for low pass to low pass conversion, S is going to be omega p divided by omega LP of S, that is 1 divided by 20 pi into S, that is if I solve you will be getting S divided by 20 pi. Then you have to substitute this in a equation. Where is this? In this equation. Okay, S is going to change from S to S by 20 pi. If you solve, you will be getting the result like this, 20 pi raised to 3. I hope you know how to get this. Just substitute here, take the LCM from this, you can write in the above. S cube plus 2 into 20 pi into S square plus 2 into 20 pi square, because it's a cube. Here all will go, here square is there, 1 will be left in, here 1 is there, here you will be getting a squaring. Next here only 1 is there, so 20 pi cube we will be getting here. Basic maths only using, just focus here. Okay, this is how for fc is equals to 10 Hz. Next, for fc is equals to 100. Okay, fc is equals to 100. Again for high pass, cutoff frequency 2 pi into omega c. Here you will be getting 200 pi radians per second. Same, S is going to change, upper into high pass divided by S, that is going to be 1 into 200 pi divided by S. You will be getting at 200 pi by S. Again substitute in your HN, you will be getting of high pass filter transfer function, that is going to be, here what you have to do, take the LCM of S cube in all the further equation, then you can shift that, you will be getting as S cube divided by S cube plus 2 into 200 pi s square plus 2 into 200 pi whole square s plus 200 pi cube. Okay, this is how you have to solve a problem. If they given all the parameters, it's well and good. If it is not given, we have to choose. Remember, if it's not given fc of a lower, what you have to choose? Minimum is of 10 hertz. When cutoff frequency it's not given means we have to choose 1 radians per second. Okay. Passband cutoff frequency we have to take as, because here omega p is taken. I am stressing here omega p, that I have to take. Next problem. Here they given HA omega or else HA of j omega whole square is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 4 omega square. We have to determine unlock filter system coefficient, that is HA of S. The given form, how I can change here? Instead of writing 4, if I write omega divided by 1 by 2 power square, I will be getting the same. This equation I can write, this is a standard one. Okay, HA j omega whole square is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus omega divided by cutoff frequency, that is omega c power 2n. Here 2 into 2n is there, here 2 into 1 is there. Okay, 2 into 1 I can write it from that. So n is going to be the value as 1, then omega c is going to be taken as 1 by 2, that is 0.5. This equation representative Butterworth filter of order 1 with cutoff frequency of 0.5. Next we have to find the poles of the filters. We know this equation, use that, then substitute for n and omega c, you will be getting the values here. What is the k value here? Only n is equals to 1 means first value is k is equals to 0. We have to use that. Substitute k is equal to 0, then you will be getting as plus or minus 0.5 e raised to j pi is equals to minus 0.5 or else plus 0.5. Then substitute in this equation. Here what you have to choose? If you want a stable system, for that reason choose the minus 0.5. System function omega c power n divided by s minus sl, that is equals to 0.5 divided by s plus 0.5 you will be getting. Like these problems you will be asking for 5 marks or else 4 marks. Okay. The first problem is going to be given for 10 marks or else 8 marks. And the fifth problem is just a derivation. Just you can go through here. We have to find the order and cutoff frequencies. How you got this only? Just go through this. Here nowhere it is asked in the exam, but still once you go through this you will be getting the a small derivation, you can understand of this. Okay.